James may do it. He should ask him, and I'll let you know if he doesn't.
Okay. All right.
But then you really have the course. Ready, Cal? Take it out, let's go. That's a culture ball. Nice. Take it up. Good job, Captain. Stay with it. That's still. Come on, let's go. Good job. Pass up to Lauren. Pass it up. There you go, Aaron. Good job.
Not good. Let's go after it. Turn it around. Stay away from that goal.
Take it up. You got it. Pass in the middle. Good pass. Get that ball across the line. Get back, Aaron. Get up there. Tom down in Go on! Go on! Back in the middle. There you go. Oh, nice. Good try.
Come on, you guys. Uh-oh. They're open now. Got to cut them across.
There you go, Lauren. There you go, Lauren. That's it. Good job. Come on.
Halftime.
Yeah, if it's hot and the bugs are out, and then, what do? You hunt on that?
Well, we have thermocells. Those things really take care of the bugs. Do they? That's the second greatest invention to the art.
Get down to the other end.
Hey, what?
Come on, guys.
He's on the field. Go play with him. Cameron, keep going.
Get up there, Cameron. Get up there.
Oh, nice hit. He's on the field. Go play with him. Cameron, keep going.
Get up there, Cameron. Get up there.
Oh, nice hit. Cameron, keep going.
Get up there, Cameron. Get up there.
Oh, nice hit.
You want a break?
He's like in ozone. If he shows up to his daughter's wedding like this, we're in trouble, man. I forgot all about that. I knew it was today. Okay.
Stay on it, Cammy.
Ooh, miss hit. Those miss hits are tough. Getting that ice cube.
Cameron, get him out.
I think she's playing midfield. But she doesn't have to be back there.
Take it, Alexis.
Yeah, get her away there. Ooh, way to go.
Run, Cameron!
Ooh, good job. Rock that, Cameron.
Oh, you're talking about 1999.
Pick it. Nice.
I'm waiting on James. Don't say anything. Because he said, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it.
Then did he go sit down?
No, he's...
Shoot it, Cameron! Go, kid.
Good job, Cameron. Stay ready, stay ready.
Cameron, be ready. Stop it.
Good job, Cameron. Stay ready, stay ready.
Cameron, be ready. Stop it.
Good job, Cameron. Stay ready, stay ready.
Cameron, be ready.
James. I have to.
Yeah, it zooms right here, right?
Yeah, you can go back and forth. It's real gentle if you do it. It's starting to shake on that thing.
Yeah, it's a totally different ball game than the sun, though. It's a ball game than the sun.
Which one did you hear? Oh, yeah. But he's not like.
Good kick. There you go. Good kick.
Way to get it out of there. Good move.
It's all finished except one section which is dedicated to storing things. What we want to do is make sure we have like open some roads and all that. Before it's always been rattled and piled up. Right?
Yeah.
And then it's start over and apply all the
Oh, dude, how close was that? Dude, how close was that? How close was
That was about a foot wide.
About pressure washing the day and lifting on
Stay with it, Lily!
What time was it? College. Yeah. Were you gonna blow them or cut them up or what are you gonna do?
Cut them up and just go dump them in the back, dump them back down by the creek.
I got close to it.
But I would take like one lap.
The gun do this for
Yeah.
the bag.
Oh, that bad?
Yeah.
I hate that. Well, you know how to ring up somebody.
Oh!
That's my bone.
Uh-oh.
That's my bone.
What a kick, dude.
Yeah, that's the coaches. That's Isabel. Good job, Catherine.
Good stuff. Get Alexis, take it in. Or I make a test match.
Go, Lily, go, Lily, go, Lily. Go, Lily. Shoot. Good try, Lily.
Take the ball! Take it!
Yeah, I heard about it.
Offsides, right? Offsides?
Yeah, they still have a defender back there. The girl with the green shoes.
Okay.
As long as they're in front of her. Stay with it, girls. Stay with it, girls.
Very close. Whether that's good for those kids or not.
I wonder why they do. Why do they do that?
Because they want to play football. Because that's what they do. That's what they do.
Good job, Olivia.
That's what they do to be competitive. It probably makes the kids more mature too.
But it's so much fun at the goal.
Kid-friendly way of putting it.
No idea. This is my first rodeo.
Lower Roswell, you wind your way.
Terrell Mill.
Terrell Mill to Lower Roswell.
Good job, Caroline.
To Robinson.
Robinson. Dennis Holmes from there.
No, then it's backed up too. It's because it's only 2 lanes.
Now, do you think that extra lane at Riverside and going across the bridge you're building, is that going to help out you at all? He's been doing that. Go, Miles. Check it out.
The last 2 days, that's
That's a good play. That is the play next year. In a couple of years, that will be a nice play.
Nice kick. Good job, Lauren.
I was looking at someone's pictures on Facebook. Those kids that are in 1st grade, they actually like have these plastic helmets with no face masks. So they're kind of a hybrid between flag and tackle. That hybrid now. Those are from JV. Part share was blue and gold.
Aaron, take it! It's yours, Birdie!
Where's Alexis, bud?
What a foot!
Good kick, Lauren. Great kick.
Good kick, Lauren.
Hey, kick it, hey, girl. Good job.
Go, take it, Sophie. Go, quick.
Stay with it, Caroline.
Good job, Caroline.
Caroline, stay with it.
Good job. Follow up. You can follow up.
Caroline, get up there.
Oh!
Help her out.
Not that that's a whole lot, but. Oh! Oh!
That's going to sound good on the roof.
Oh!
Oh, nice.
Yes, she does. That's why Lauren's on the team. That was awesome. Stay with it, Katie. Good job.
Take it down, Katie. Good job. Keep going.
Nice pass. Hey, Caroline! Was it?
There you go, Caroline. Shoot it now.
Standing there going, wait a minute, I'm already ahead of everybody.
Way too cold.
Yeah. Well, it's like living in Michigan or Wisconsin. It's beautiful in certain parts of the year, but man. Stay with it, Lily! Good job, Tornadoes!
Good job, girl.